Creative smiles, your dental best friend. Hello friends. Welcome to our orthodontic series. Today we will see what rules to follow after getting braces.
Congratulations! We convey our best wishes on getting braces to improve your dental health. Today we will know all the rules that will protect your braces.
So without delay, let's start.
The first thing to know is to brush every day. By brushing for just 2 minutes twice a day, every day, your braces will be protected and no food particles will get stuck.
Some special zones of your mouth have to be carefully washed and brushed. They are the gums, the upper and lower parts of the brackets attached to the teeth, and the brackets themselves. The front and back of the teeth, and the tongue, too, should be cleaned by brushing well.
The brush should be angled at 45 degrees. If any orthodontic elastic rubber is attached, it should be removed from the mouth and then brushed. Brush lightly, do not apply too much pressure, as it may damage the braces. After brushing and washing, the whole mouth should be checked carefully, so that no food particles are stuck on teeth.
If you use an electric toothbrush, taking care of your teeth and oral hygiene becomes much easier.
Along with brushing, flossing should be done to further improve our dental health. Flossing helps to prevent swelling, bleeding, and infection to gums. Finally, rinse well using a mouthwash.
Proxibrush, or interdental brush, can be used to clean perfectly, in between the teeth. Slowly, inserting under the braces, the food particles accumulated between the teeth, is removed using the proxibrush. Do not apply too much pressure, or the brackets may get damaged.
After getting the braces for the first time, the gums may get swollen and you may feel pain. This is completely normal, and with time, this swelling goes away. Eating cold foods, such as fruit juice, ice cream, or cold yogurt, can greatly relieve this swelling and pain.
Alternatively, if the pain does not go away, try taking mild painkillers. It will help to make the pain go away.
If the braces begins to hurt and rub against the lips or tongue, rinse well with lukewarm water and salt. To make salt water, take a glass of lukewarm water and add 2 teaspoons of salt and stir well.
If you want to use orthodontic wax, take out a small amount of wax, roll it in a round shape between your fingers, and apply it to the area where you feel the braces are rubbing against the lips. Also, if for some reason, the brackets gets loose or fall off, then call the dentist as soon as possible. If your problem doesn't go away, even after all these tips, call your dentist as soon as possible.
There are certain foods which we have to avoid, otherwise the brackets can break off. These include hard nuts like almonds, hard foods such as naru, hard candies, and mutton. All foods would be easier to eat if they are cut into small pieces. Foods that get stuck in the teeth, such as chewing gum, are best to avoid. By following these rules, your braces will be secure, and your orthodontic treatment will go smoothly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel, and share it among your friends and relatives, so that we can easily spread knowledge about human teeth and human body to everybody.